What's happening, everybody? I put together a song using the Cory Wong archetype. I'm going to let you listen to it real quick, just a little taste, then we'll go through it in a little bit more detail. Here you go. So there's a tiny little taste. Let me run back through this and I'll go through track by track and you can see what I did and what I used. First off, both the guitars. You can see down here I've got them panned hard left and hard right. Here's what they sound like by themselves. Alright, track on the left side I'm just calling Dirty. It is the Strat Neck Grunt. This is a preset straight out of the Archetype. You click on it there, boom, Strat Neck Grunt. The only thing I did, you can see up here at your top, what is that, top left, over by, you got input gate and mode. Instead of mono, I bump it to stereo. That's the only thing I did on that side. And over here on the right, I've got the Dirty Right. Click on it. I'll open it up. You can see it is the Simon riff. This is actually one of Cory's presets. If you go down to if you go down to Cory Wong recordings and slide down here at the bottom, you'll see the Simon riff. And again, it's mono. I bump it to stereo, and this is what you're hearing. So on that, I've got the Clean Machine and the Amp Snob running. Both are really great amps coming out of the Clean Machine and the Amp Snob. This is the stuff that I knew Neural DSP could do. Straight from the first day I heard the Plini Archetype, and I was like, I can do stone songs with this. I could do more like old school rock tones with this, which I've never been able to do with a plug-in or find something I really, really liked plug-in wise. But then that opened me up into a lot more plug-ins. But this is the plug-in for me. I can nail those old school tones now just like I've always wanted to. Not that I can't with some of the other stuff from Neural DSP, but this is the one for me, without a doubt. And speaking of that, you guys know I am a fan of The Edge from U2. Let me bring this up for you. We'll go through this. This is a Shimmy on the Dance Floor preset. It is from Tom Quayle. You can find him on the internet. He's an amazing guitar player, but Shimmy on the Dance Floor. The only thing I change is bumping it up to stereo. The Cory Wong delay in the Archetype is really cool because it's actually a dual delay. I'm not really taking advantage of it in this particular sound, but you can, in addition to, of course, syncing to the beat, you can bump it down here to dual, and you'll have two delays running at the same time, which will get you even into some more great edge sounding stuff. Man, that shimmer button, push that down and it's just great. This is everything I could have ever asked for from an archetype from Neural DSP. It's amazing. Okay, so for this lead, you'll see that they're using the Amp Snob, but again, this is one more preset. I've not tweaked anything on any of these. This is Jack Gardner. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Sorry, Jack, brother. But this is his full smash lead with a roll off for the blues. Again, the only thing I do, go in and pop that up to stereo just so I can get a little bouncy, because you do see I have the dual delays running here, and again, it's the way the preset's set up for this, but you'll get a little bit of a taste of both delays running at once with this lead. Here's your full smash lead. Love these sounds, man. I mean, this is just great. This is what I knew could happen with the technology that existed, and Neural DSP totally nailed it. Loving it. So there's the Crazy Wah fuzz preset that I'm using, and I've got the track soloed. You're going to hear it panned mostly into the right, but it sounds a little like this. I just use it to almost as like a little wah fill there, and in the context of the full mix, let me let you hear that in the context of the full mix. You'll hear the wah. It just sounds like the wah is opening up, and then boom, it hits the chorus piece. Great sounding all around. I've got the Archetype running with the bass too. Let me bring this up, because this is cool, man. I'm running easy bass, but I'm also running it through the Archetype. So you can see here, I have got my clean DI modern bass, but I'm using the Crusher bass from Cory's presets. There we go. Cory Wong bass tones. Using the Crusher right now. Here we go. You can hear some of the funk that I did. I wasn't going to embarrass myself by playing any funk guitar, but I did put in a funky bass part. So check this out. Just amazing sounds all around. I'm a big fan of Parallax. My goodness, I'm a big fan of these sounds, because this DI Funk console is the concept is going straight into a recording console, and you do this with the funk bass or any kind of bass. I think this would work on any song, but let me just go back. I'm going to leave you guys with the full mix. I'm going to let it play out over this. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider sharing, like, subscribe, leave me some comments down below. What are some of your favorite tones from this Cory Wong archetype? Till later. See y'all, everybody.